Mina no Nihongo Vocabs Lesson 12. Kantan, easy, simple. Chikai, near. Tuoy, far. Hayay, fast, early. Osoy, slow, late. Hetoga, oy, many people, much. Hetoga, sokonai, few people, a little. Atatakai, warm. Suzoshi, cool. Amai, sweet. Karai, spicy. Omoy, heavy. Karoi, light. Kohiga, prefer coffee. Kiseki, season. Haru, spring. Natsu, summer. Ake, autumn, fall. Fuyu, winter. Tenki, weather. Ame, rain, rainy. Yuki, snow, snowy. Komori, cloudy. Hotero, hotel. Kuku, airport. Umi, sea, ocean. Sekai, world. Pati, party. Matsuri, festival. Shiken, examination. Sukiyaki, beef and vegetable hot pot. Sashimi, sliced raw fish. Sushi, rice with vinegar topped with raw fish. Tempura, seafood and vegetables deep fried in butter. Ikebana, flower arrangement. Momiji, maple, red leaves of autumn. Dochira, which one? Dochira mo, both. Zotto, by far. Hajimete, for the first time. Tadaima, I'm home. Okaere nasai, welcome home. Sugoi desu ne, that's amazing. Demo, but. Tsukarimashita, I'm tired. Hong Kong, Hong Kong. Singapore, Singapore. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe at Japanese Learning Hub. Jamata!